But the longer answer is, okay, let's say in your example, you're moving from New York. How long ago did you do the will? Like, was it 5 months before you moved, in which case maybe nothing's changed other than the place you live? Or was it 15 years ago when your son, who was in high school, is now 30 years old? And basically the people you would want making decisions for you are different.
Yeah.
So what we usually say is, go see an attorney, have them review the documents, have them review your situation in life where you are right now, and see, are these still the right documents for you, or do you want to have an update?
Got it.
And we do complimentary estate planning consultations for that reason. Sometimes it is a situation where they had a major life circumstance change. Let's say they were renting in one place and now they own. Their net worth is increased by a significant amount, so they had a will-based plan, but actually a trust-based plan would make more sense. So it's just worth talking to an attorney. But if you get hit by a car and the worst thing happens, yes, your documents should be valid if they were validly executed somewhere else.
Okay, that's good to know.
You say something really interesting, will-based versus trust-based. Can we talk a little bit about that difference?
Sure, I'll try not to bore all your podcast listeners, but essentially
I'm take a nap.
We'll buckle you in.
He was up twice last night.
All right, quick version is, what happens when you die? How are we going to handle your assets?
Okay.
So a will is the traditional one that most people are most familiar with, which is you give a set of instructions. You say, if I die, here's who I want to get my stuff, and here's who I want to be my executor, which we call personal representative in South Carolina.
Okay.
Same thing, but we just renamed it.
Of course we did.
It was too easy to understand, so we renamed it. And the purpose of the will is you take it to the probate court and you say, hey, this person died. I want to be personal representative. Here's where they name me. The judge says, okay, they officially appoint you. And then the probate court supervises the process of basically creditor claims and asset distribution. In South Carolina, it's typically, I'd say, a year to a year and a half
in probate.
In probate.
Okay.
That's assuming it's non-contested.
Yeah.
If
Does
it's
the
contested,
estate pay for that? Does the estate pay for the judge? Okay, so they have to pay for that supervision?
There are probate fees related to the value of the estate. So the more valuable the estate is, the higher the fees are.
Okay, so like your estate is going to be very expensive.